Hello, everyone. So sorry to have been keep you waiting. I am Nidhi. I am one of the co-founders of Cardback. My other co-founder is Nikhil. He's standing right here. And I head the technology and design at Cardback, so I'd be presenting it in front of you today. So what is Cardback? In one line, if I had to describe what is Cardback, I'd say it is Google Maps for your payments. Look at how Google Maps just recommended the best route to me. I had only given it the destination. It still told me what is the best and the most optimized route to take from my office till here. In a very similar manner, Cardback will tell you which is the best card you should use for making a particular payment. You just tell it where do you want to spend and how much are you going to pay. See, what happens today is that we cannot escape making payments. We go out, we eat. We shop for pleasure, we shop for survival, we get our cars refueled, we book tickets for traveling, we go for entertainment, we pay bills. So we cannot escape payments at all. But how many of us have the time to sit down before making a payment and search through whatever data is available in whichever format possible and do all those tedious calculations just to check if you can save some money? The good news is you don't have to do it anymore. Cardback solves this exact problem. Before making a payment, it tells you which is the best way or the best mode to make that payment. This is how it works, and it's actually pretty simple. It's a mobile app, so it is always available with you wherever you go, as a part of your personality extension, I would say. So you just add your cards to Cardback. It's a one-time process. No card numbers needed. So it's safe, it's secure, and it's private. Before making a payment, just tell us how much do you want to pay and where exactly are you paying. And boom, you have your best recommendation. It'll tell you which is the best card out of all the cards you have. Why is it the best card in terms of the quantified reason? For example, if you tell Cardback you want to spend 5,000 rupees on, let's say, Clear Trip, it'll tell you out of 5,000, you can probably recover 2,000 from your reward points, which you didn't know. And on the remaining 3,000, you can get a 10% cashback instantly on your card. So as the co-founder, I can obviously go on and tell you why you should make it a habit to use Cardback. But it's very essential for you as a user to realize why actually is it very important for you to make it a habit. And I cannot emphasize this point enough. It actually gives you the smartest and the best way to make payments. And the biggest USP about this point is that you get to save even if there is no offer available. So I'll give you another example, a very common example. You want to go for a movie, you want to buy a ticket. You want to buy 2 tickets from Book My Show. Usually what you would do is you would look for an offer, or you would look for an offer on your card itself, and it would say buy one, get one free. What if you just told Cardback you want to go for a movie, and I tell you, based on your reward points, you already have 2 free tickets in your account that you haven't availed in the last 3 months. You don't even have to pay for 1 ticket. Your cards have very small details associated with them, like interest rates, like interest-free days, the billing generation date, the credit limit, withdrawal limit, and I can go on. All these things, if optimized well, can save you a little bit every time that you will not realize when you're making a single payment. But over a period of time, you'll realize, let's say you're saving around 10,000 bucks every month. The fun part is, you do not have to do any search or any calculations at all. We take care of everything in the backend without taking your card numbers. Let's assume a situation where you have a very good card, but it is still not the best card for a given transaction. But Cardback knows which of your friends have which cards, because they have indicated and they are on Cardback. We can tell you to go to your friend and ask him and borrow his card to save money. That way you get to save instantaneously. Then you transfer that money to your friend's bank account. That way you get to earn reward points on your bank transfer. It is a location-sensitive app, so even if you're out and you forget to use Cardback, it very intelligently will remind you whenever you actually need it, at that precise moment, at that precise location, with the exact benefit. You don't need to worry that if there is an offer, then how many reward points will I get? Or if there is a cashback, then when will I get the cashback back? Everything is being taken care of at the back end. And the most fun part is that it keeps learning and it keeps evolving. So the more you use Cartback, the better it gets. I think I've covered the entire product, so I can skip this and I can just get to the contact details. So we have our beta version releasing in the next 7 to 10 days. In case I've gotten you excited enough about our product, please reach out to us to enroll you in the program. And if you're still not convinced, we also have an internal live build. It's available in the form of a demo on our phones. Please feel free to reach out to us after this session. Thank you.